Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. For your tarot reading today, guys, we are picking cards for those who are single and those who are in relationship. So first, for those who are in a relationship, guys, and those of you who are single, Aquarius. So these set of cards are for you singles. So we will start with the first set of cards for those who are already in a connection. So let's see what is your energy. Two of Earth, King of Fire, and Six of Air. So in your relationship, guys, great changes are happening right now. Maybe some things are not going as you have expected for yourself, for this connection, in this love. So there may be some arguments or some fights. Maybe this person is influencing you or trying to influence you. You may feel that way because they are quite skilled and talented and they know what is the right thing, or they may be quite successful in life. So they are giving you some kind of advice, or they are telling you something to be done, but you don't want to listen to that, and you believe that you are the one um who will be able to understand your situation. So you don't want to listen to this person, but I see there are some stressful situations in this connection because of the way you are, maybe, guys. And I see in this connection, guys, um you want to be with them, you want to find that common ground in this love, but something is making it really difficult for you. Maybe the way this person is speaking, or the way they are trying to dominate. So something is making you rethink about this connection, about this love. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Aquarius, for those who are in a connection. And I see there are great changes happening in this connection, something which you never expected. So the way you perceive, or the way you are learning so much from this love, from this relationship, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aquarius, for those who are in a relationship. Let's see for those who are single. We have Page of Fire, Queen of Fire, and Queen of Water. So with these cards, guys, for those who are single, you may have that intuition about someone. Maybe you are interested in someone, you are eyeing someone, you are moving towards this person. Maybe you are interested. Maybe for some of you, you may see a new beginning with this person. So in your heart of hearts, you have a vague idea about somebody in your situation. It may be someone from your work situation, or someone who is your common friend. So some kind of what to say, you have that interest on this person and you are moving towards them. And this person may be someone working as a doctor or nurse, or who is a very service minded person. So their profession is service oriented. So they may be a doctor, a nurse, or a social worker, someone with a great helping nature and compassionate heart. Aquarius. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your daily love tarot reading. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. So you can meditate for a few seconds in silence, then close your eyes and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, your first card. Let's see what it is. Commitment, such a beautiful card here for you all today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So this energy with this card is that sometimes we stop seeing life as it is, that is there each and every moment right before us, guys, engaging us, and we can become careless sometimes. We do not what to say, have that attention for how things are going, and we do so many things. We force certain circumstances or certain things that need not be forced, because when we do that, we are emotionally struggling, and in our heart of hearts we will be troubled, and this can make our way seem uncertain, and doubts will crowd upon our heart. So we will be doubtful whether what we expect is going to come towards us or not. So we need to trust in the universe, guys, and give up the fear surrounding our desires. So we should allow life to move us, not we should not try moving life. So that is the way forward in the life path. So that is what needs to be seen by you right now with this card, guys. You need to have that clarity, that certainty. So you should not doubt what you're feeling right now. Maybe that is true. Maybe deep in your heart you may have certain thoughts. So that is the truth and it is real. And you are being led in that particular way. Maybe in your heart of hearts you know certain things, and you may have you may incline towards that path or towards that action. When that happens, you have to go for it, guys. So today you just simply need to take each step at a time and live in the present moment. When you do that, you will have so much peace, stillness, happiness in your heart, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, this Rumi oracle card, guys, and it comes with a few lines of poetry. So I will read the poetry and I will end the reading for this card. The awakened heart is like a lantern. Keep it sheltered from the turbulence of the winds of desire. Rumi. So that is the poetry, guys. So let's see. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. So we will start with the second card for those who have chosen this card. We will see what it is. It is Kyanite. That is the oracle spirit, the crystal spirit for you all today, guys. And this crystal, it stands for resolving disputes, having that diplomacy and restoring harmony in our situation, mending the fences and building bridges. So this is an excellent time for us to fix all that sore notes that have appeared in our relationship, in our life, resolving any disputes and healing any rifts once and for all. So we can have our own way, and we will gain tremendous support when we let go of our rigid my way or the highway attitude. So sometimes we have to recognize that we are all imperfect. So no need to worry about that. And when we tune into others, try to work with other people in our life, we work towards harmony. So we are all, though we are all imperfect, we should have that fairness towards the people we are in relationship with, guys, or in our family. So love and commitment to fairness is what is going to heal us today, and that is what is this oracle's guidance. So we have to go for that healing energy today, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.